Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I was trying to help somebody the other day, it's been like a week ago, do like a fisheye effect on a picture. I'm not using their picture, I just found this one. Go to effects and lens effect and fisheye. It doesn't do anything. Now, what it does do is you can freeze it or called frozen, and it will cut out the picture, much like the intersect tool. But the picture itself, well, matter of fact, it also will do this. Now it does work on this. Go here and use the magnifying glass, and then you could zoom in on that young man's face. Now, one thing I've learned through my years, this ellipse, you can't go, I'm going to try fisheye with it because it's magnified. Because even though it's off the screen, it's magnified. No matter where you put it, it's going to magnify. So to try like a new one, you have to take a new ellipse. And of course, this process with the lens effect is not that cool because you can just grab them both and go right here to the intersection. And it did the same thing. And you could also power clip it, but I quit using power clip here. Now there's some cases power clip works, but only like 1% does it do a better job than intersect, because intersect and even the lens effect, you still have your photograph and you can play, and you don't have to use a circle. You could use any shape. You could just take and start drawing shapes, and let's just draw some weird squares and then weld these together with the weld tool. And then you could take this in here, and I don't know why you'd want to do that, but then select both of them and intersect that, and then you have that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.